let's talk about the salary. As a London bus driver, you can expect to earn a starting salary of around £24,000 per year. With experience, this can rise to anywhere between £28,000 and £31,000 annually. Some companies offer additional benefits like overtime pay, bonuses and pensions, which can bump up your total earnings significantly. It's also worth noting that night shifts, weekend shifts, and holiday work often come with extra pay, giving you a chance to earn even more. Next up, how do you become a London bus driver? Here's a step-by-step guide: eligibility. You need to be at least 18 years old and hold a full UK driving license. If you're new to the UK or haven't driven in a while, make sure your license is up to date and covers the necessary categories. Application: apply directly to bus companies like Transport for London, TfL, Stagecoach, or Arriva. These companies regularly recruit new drivers and often have dedicated training programs. The application process typically involves an online application, followed by an assessment day where your driving skills and customer service abilities will be tested. Medical examination: pass a medical exam to ensure you're fit for the job. This will check your eyesight, hearing, and overall health to make sure you can handle the physical demands of driving a bus. PCV license: obtain a PCV, passenger carrying vehicle license. This is necessary before you can start practical training. Training: complete a bus driver training program, which includes both theory and practical driving tests. Training usually lasts between 6 to 8 weeks and covers everything from customer service to handling different bus types. You'll learn about road safety, dealing with emergencies, and the specific routes you'll be driving. Driver CPC: obtain the Driver Certificate of Professional Competence, CPC, which includes passing a series of tests and continuous professional development. The CPC is essential and ensures that you meet the professional standards required for bus driving. Now, let's talk about the skills and qualities you need to excel as a bus driver. Patience and excellent customer service skills are a must, since you'll be dealing with passengers daily. Good geographical knowledge of London will help you navigate routes efficiently, especially during peak hours or when there are roadworks or diversions. You should also have strong attention to detail and the ability to stay calm under pressure, as driving in a busy city like London can be challenging. One of the perks of this job is the benefits that come with it. Many bus companies offer free or discounted travel for you and your family, which can save you a lot on commuting costs. There are also pension schemes, healthcare benefits, and paid holidays. Additionally, there are opportunities for career progression. You can move up to become a driving instructor, a supervisor, or even a depot manager with the right experience and qualifications. Working as a London bus driver isn't just about driving, it's about being a vital part of the city's heartbeat, ensuring people get to where they need to be safely and on time. It's a stable job with a decent salary and plenty of opportunities for growth. Plus, you get to interact with a diverse range of people every day, making it a rewarding and interesting career. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more career insights, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a particular career you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and keep living the dream. This is Coco Finance, signing off.